Your sana Ethel King mess up with Uma Kumalo. Hello, hi, and welcome to another review of Otando Nesi Tembo. Guys, honestly, I cannot stop admiring Makumalo's beauty and intelligence. And to think that Ubabake, Ethel King, really is about to lose out on this woman, because honestly we do not know, but I do know that Uma Komalo did say that she will announce, or she will tell us after the 15th of June if she and Mselego are still married. But anyway, let's get into this review. So the family is still in the family retreats. Honestly speaking, I don't know if anything good will come out of this family retreats, really, because Mayeni doesn't want to say anything. She goes like, no, I'm fine. I really don't need this therapy. I think if there is one person who needs a therapy, it is Umusa himself. So you can just tell, Uguti, honestly, I don't see this family coming out stronger after this family retreats. Also, when Umayeni was asked how is the relationship, or how is how is the relationship between her and the other wives, she does say, Uguti, for many years they've not been getting along. So probably it won't be something that will be an easy fix. It won't be fixed in one day. It will probably take time. And yeah, guys, honestly, yeah, I don't know, guys, like these people, these four wives, were they ever happy just themselves, without number five, because sometimes I ask myself, what broke this family? Why are they here? Is it only because of number five, or they are having wounds that maybe probably we don't know about? Because like things just legit broke because of number five, or as soon as Umusa decided to take number five, he lost support in Uma Kumalo especially, and he also fell ill. And we can really tell Uguti, this family is strained, seriously strained. I must say that I don't like the fact that it seems like the other three are ganging up on Umaxele. Like, really, guys, Umaxele accepted her man as a polygamist way back, okay? Really, she couldn't stand against number five because she has been accepting that her man is a polygamist. So I don't understand why the other three is against Umaxele. Even when she calls Umusa Ethel King, why, okay? And you will hear giggles there and there, and I'm just like, I'm not happy about this. Like, really, I'm not happy about these giggles, because why are they giggling? Like, why are they giggling? Okay, why are they talking about Ethel King? I mean, if Musa is Magdalene's Ethel King, so this means it's none of our business. It's none of our business, and it's none of their business. No one should giggle over that. Like, no one should giggle over Musa being Macedo's earthly king, if you get what I'm trying to say. We'll also see Uma Kumalo's session with a therapist, and Uma Kumalo will say that, she feels like she has given so much of herself, and really there were no results. There were no results, nothing shows of it, and she doesn't know if this will be the end or this will be the beginning. So I don't know why, like, why will all this happened. And then also we have Umangwabe. We have Umangwabe, who is like his vision, because all along they've been talking about his vision this and his vision that. And she says that for so many years, she feels like she has lost herself, or they have lost, they have been like a big division amongst themselves as wives, trying to follow or trying to just run after his vision. And they don't think that he realizes that his vision has broken them. They are broken because of this vision that he's been chasing. So yeah, guys, I mean, honestly, I feel like if family retreats bandla ayiphele, please, I beg I beg. I want the drama. People on social media have been talking about Samke is more like a supporting cast member than a main member at this point, because we hardly ever see her, and if we do see her, really she's with her family and they're saying some things that Samke, my babe. Samke, my babe. I don't know. I don't know if you and your sister should go ngalo line in Hampangawo, like angazi. Oh, I feel like we again loyo line uyabheda ngekusunise ndabo. Honestly speaking. Honestly.
Ibambeke nale bese sidlula kahle. Enye into ngokuba umakoti omfana asekho isikhathi sokudinwa ngoba uyadlula. So meke ngathi nje ngiyaxolisa uvele axole ngoba akakwazi ukungadluli ngoba uyadlula naye ngokunjalo meke wathi ngiyaxolisa mngami sengidlulile ngoba mangingadluli uzodlula. Ungayisebenzisa lento na kuyakhe relationship iyasebenza, trust me. Kusawuyena lo makoti umfana iside lakhe uzolizwa okwamanje. Cut mfana, cut.
Hey guys, uThobile when she was still in love. Esasemathandweni uthi once umfana ethi ngiyaxolisa mkami, she have no choice but to forgive. But I'm wondering, how many times has umfana been apologizing? How many times has Ubabake been apologizing for taking someone who is from the same village as Uthobile? But baby girl does not want to forgive at all. Okay, but I guess it was an old video, because Sana, this new Thobile, she definitely does not forgive easily. Now, not Uetheli King, throwing my lady under the bus, saying that actually he did not lobola Usamke. Usamke was lobolad by Umacele. Sana. So does this mean Samke is Macele's wife? What does it mean? Because Uetheli King Sana Usije Yena Soze, he was still recovering from his sickness. There was no way that he was gonna be capable in arranging lobola. Sana, did we not witness Uetheli King arranging lobola, even sending Usne Uguti Ahambe Nabafana? And I mean Nabakongi, but Sana, it seems like everything else has changed. It's now on Umacele's shoulders. But anyway, I do believe Uetheli King, because Umakwela did ask Uguti Haibona. So Abakongi, when are they returning Uzoqedelela ilobolo? Uetheli King wathi nje akumuzwe Umacele. So I guess Umakwela, it is official. Ungumfazi kaMacele, I meant to say. Makwela is Macele's wifey. Whatever that she needs to consult Umacele. Anyway, guys, have you been watching their family retreats? How do you feel about the family retreats? Do you think it's gonna help the family in moving forward? Honestly, I hope and I pray that they do get the help that they need as a family so that they can move forward. One thing also that I would like to know is what happened between a friendship Kamacele no Makhumalo. According to me, they were very close, they were friends, and not anymore. Anyway, Umakhumalo also says that Umusa has changed a lot. Umusa has changed a lot since Umusa has been with Usamke, a young fresh blood. Okay, so they are saying since Umusa has found himself young fresh blood, youngster, it's okay. Oh, Sana, things have changed within the Mseleko household so much. And the fact that Makumalo actually put it that way, like for me, it is crazy. I'm like, oh, Sana, this is crazy. But yeah, honestly, my expectations is I want to see more of the family retreats. Honestly, I do not expect to see anything else, especially tonight. I do not expect to see anything else but family retreats. Please, Mandla, please, DSTV, please, Mzansi Magic, do right by us and make sure that we only see the family retreats, nothing else. Like the whole 30 minutes, we want to focus on the family retreats. Anyway, we will see Usamke and her family. Usamke and her family, they are still hung up on the fact that they went, Mzumbe the other day when Umusa was saying that she's actually making or doing a welcome ceremony for number 5, and the other wives were not having it. They were like, we are not going to accept her. Like, she is not accepted, not in this home stand. So they feel like, oh, I don't know how they feel, but clearly bathi iyahlebisa into yabo, bathi iyathethisa, and they do not feel well. They do not even feel like they were received well by the other wives, which I'm like, bro, what did you expect? Like, it's totally understandable that you guys were not received the way that we would have expected to be received. So I'm like, okay, I'm expecting to see that as well. Like, I'm definitely expecting to see that conversation. Also, guys, it seems like Makwela's patience is running out. Baby girl just wants to see herself Mzumbe already. She's like, listen, I'm ready for Mzumbe. I want to see myself Mzumbe. Like, I don't want anything else, but I want Mzumbe. I don't blame her that much, I really don't. But yeah, she like the way she's talking, you can tell Uti shame Bantla girl, she is running out of patience and she just wants to be Mzumbe. Also, we get to see that fans, rather, because of the green dress that Umakwela is wearing. Lalela, when I tell you that they are coming for her, they are coming for her. They want to chew her. They are just like, oh no, we don't understand why Umakwela is actually wearing like Ugreni. Makwela, help us understand this. Why are you wearing like a grandmother? Why do you want to be a grandmother at such a young, vibrant age? And Umakwela, obviously, she wears the way that she wants to wear. You can't, I don't know, guys. I don't know about Makwela's fashion. Yes, Makwela is young. She was born 99, if I'm not mistaken, or 98, but she's close to be 2000. But she is a young married woman now, and who is married to an older person. So I do not know, okay? So when it comes to individual therapy, it seems like Umakwela will also talk about herself and how much she have been giving for the Mseleko family, and how much the Mseleko family has just keep on letting her down. And she will talk about that sometimes when she's having conversations with her children would say, yo, mama, like, you should have left. I don't know if you think it was worth it to stay in this marriage, but you should have left. So when something affects the children, like I don't know how to put it, honestly, but I do feel like it affects the children a lot. It affects the children probably more than we think it does. The children are heavily heavily affected by what's going on between them Selekus. Like they are seriously affected, and which is not a good thing. If your children are affected, like, it's probably not for the best. Whatever is happening is not for the best, but yeah, their children are affected. People that I did not hear them speak as much, it's Mangwabe and Umayeni. Umayeni last week, when she was asked what did she contribute towards the family, she's like, I contributed nothing. Love it for her, Kesana. She's like, no, I contributed nothing. But Umusa is like, no, what do you mean you contributed nothing? Like, what do you mean you contributed nothing? Of course you contributed something. Of course, you contributed something. You contributed you being here. Like, you being here was a huge contribution. You are here. We love you. And all this and that. So, it's like, what do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean you contributed nothing? Like, what do you mean you contributed nothing? And I'm like, yeah. And also, Umusa does acknowledge the fact that, he was never going to achieve Isithembu if it was not because of all his wives. And I feel like, guys, for the fact that he acknowledges that part alone, let's just give him some flowers. He acknowledges that his wives being there, being part of Isithembu, has helped the family grow one way or the other, has helped him more than anything achieve his vision. A Vision Yesithembu, he does acknowledge that A Vision Yesithembu was never going to be a success if his wives were not on board. Okay, his vision of Isithembu is a success today, is a huge success simply because his wives were on board. So I'm like, guys, what more do you want from this man? Like, what more can we say we want from him, honestly speaking? Like, he does acknowledges what he has to acknowledge. Like, he acknowledged what he has to acknowledge, which is the fact that probably he was never going to have Isithembu. He was probably never going to have Isithembu if his wives were not on board. But his wife are on board, so therefore now he have a successful Isithembu. Sana, it's happening on Othando Nesithembu. Now, we are still on the family retreats, not Makhumalo asking for Upelepele, while people are focusing on serious matters. Love is for Queen Monkey, okay? She's like, listen, I don't care. I'm tired of being a submissive wife. I want what I want. Anyway, guys, in this family retreat, we will get to see Khumalo finally asking Umamkhulu. And I think Umamkhulu, she will be the first one to say she wants to know why she is one of the most hated wives within, them Seleko family, why the other wives hate her so much. So Khumalo will answer and say that the reason they dislike Umacele is because Umacele it decided that she will not see wife number 5 until wife number 5 has been paid lobola for. Right? So, according to Khumalo, she says that Umacele actually saw wife number 5 before lobola. Remember that Umacele would insist and says, no, mina angifuna ukubona intombi, angeke ngize ngibone intombi, this, that, and the other thing. So it is alleged that Khumalo actually did, not Khumalo, I'm sorry. Umacele actually did saw Usamge before lobola, and that's one thing that confuses them as the wives. So I don't know how will Umacele answer, honestly. I really do not know how will Umacele answer for herself. But honestly, guys, I do feel like it's good. It's great that they are talking, especially with the fact that Vele Umacele looks like she's one of the hated wives, and these other 3, like even Umayeni and Khumalo, we all know they do not get along at all. But it does seem like when it comes to these issues specifically, they do get along. They do get along in terms Yoguti. They both dislike Umacele right now. One thing also that I would like to know is what happened between a friendship Kamacele no Makhumalo. According to me, they were very close, they were friends, and not anymore. Anyway, Umakhumalo also says that Umusa has changed a lot. Umusa has changed a lot since Umusa has been with Usamke, a young fresh blood. Okay, so they are saying since Umusa has found himself young fresh blood, youngster, it's okay. Oh, Sana, things have changed within the Mseleko household so much. And the fact that Makhumalo actually put it that way, like for me, it is crazy. I'm like, oh, Sana, this is crazy. But yeah, honestly, my expectations is I want